Hi, Phil here. I'm checking in again with my desk project. I'm moving on from the sides of the desk to the face frame. Feels like the next logical place here. Now, I have the 4 pieces for the face frame, the 2 stiles, and the 2 rails, and I've started making a few changes from my original drawing. Now, when I set this up, I drew those stiles at 2 3/4 inches wide. I thought that would look really good. And on the drawing, you can see it's not bad. I think it's fine. As I started cutting the pieces though, when I got to 2 3/4, it just felt like too much. So the stiles now are down to 2 inches wide. It's a big enough difference to make a difference and gives me the look that I'm after. The upper rail is that same 2-inch width. I think that fits pretty well. Down at the lower rail, I did end up going with that one being much wider. I think that looks better visually when I mocked it up with just clamps and pieces on there. To join the parts of the face frame together, I'm using half laps with a little dovetail just to throw a new angle in. On this side, I have that done already. So the rails have a half tail up on one edge, the lower edge for the upper rail, upper edge for the lower rail, and then that fits into a matching lap or kind of like a mortise here. I cut these by tracing the tail on there and then using a handsaw to cut the top edge and the angled edge. A chisel comes in to remove as much of the waste as possible, and then I clean things up to a uniform depth using a router plane. All fun tools, easy to work with hand tools, which makes it fun for me to do. Another thing that I found is as I was going along, my stile pieces ended up being thinner than I wanted, and the rails thicker. That little happy accident is gonna leave me with a change in plane here, which I think in the finished project will end up looking really cool. So I'm excited with the progress here. One thing in working with this pine is something that's been harvested locally is as I was milling up my boards, I found a spot that was discolored, and as I cut into it, I wish I would have kept it, but there was a bullet embedded in the tree at some point. And the result of it being there and the tree trying to heal itself around that injury ended up with a little discoloration. All part of the story of this desk and just adds to the fun of it. We'll check in next time with some more progress.